I spoke about also sharing some of my results when it came to Black Friday and what we're doing. So we're still running our Black Friday campaign up through today, which is Cyber Monday, and then through to tomorrow. So the way that we actually structure that is like this. So you have a number of different holidays and shopping seasons throughout the year. So let's take Black Friday, for example. What we actually do, and the way that we did it, is we basically taken one of our websites, and I'm just going to make sure that everyone's muted. Sorry, guys. Yep, everyone is now perfect. All right, great. So the way that we actually run it is we take a website, one of our websites. Now, this is something that I've been encouraging you all to do. If you are on Amazon and you do not have your website up and running yet, do get it up and running. It's going to be very valuable, not only for your confidence, but it's going to be definitely a massive booster for yourself and your sales. So we basically got one of our websites. We had Annie Allen have a look at it, and she did a Shopify audit of our website. She went through, she fixed up a little bit of things here and there to ensure that we actually convert a little bit better, got our products on the actual website. Then what we did was we got Karina. Karina's, I sent the coach spotlight or the expert spotlight a couple of days ago. She's actually in fast class. So Karina helped us set up the campaigns. Well, she actually set up all the campaigns for us. And what she did was she did a free giveaway. So initially, a few days before the week leading up to Black Friday, she said to us, what can you give away as a freebie? So I can incentivize people to enter their email into your website, into the free giveaway form. So what we did was we came up with a package of products. And again, it's just our products. And I think the value of that was like $500 or $600. Cost value was obviously a lot less. And then she ran some Facebook ads to that offer, which was a free giveaway, directing them to our website, right? So from that, she got 400 people. So 400 people entered their email into that actual giveaway to win the prize come Black Friday. And then what happens with those 400 email list is we actually start to market to them, right? We start to send them emails of all the discounts that we have leading up to Black Friday. So it started last Monday, and then on Monday we did like 20% off our products. On Tuesday we also had about 20% off. Wednesday we had a little bit more products that had maybe a little bit more of a discount, etc. And then she started to send an email out to those people that entered their email list.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.